Hey guys, what's crack-a-lackin'? Welcome back to another new vlog. Today it is Saturday. I had work pretty much most of the day. It's like 5:45 or something right now. And our friend Julia just messaged us being like, I have a delivery coming to your door and it will be here before 6 p.m. And Georgia and I are so confused. And so we're basically waiting out the front to just see what this delivery is. I'm so confused. What could it be? I'm hoping it's a puppy, but I won't be mad if it's not. What?
Nothing.
Nothing?
I just came to say, what's up YouTube?
I want to vlog this, but I don't want to vlog the front of our house. So.
Hey guys, welcome to...
Hey guys, welcome to our street. Welcome to our front yard. Yep. I'm really bad with people coming to the door, so if like people come to the door, I'm going to run away. Your thing is meant to arrive by 6 p.m.
Latest.
By the latest. Can come anytime, but it's guaranteed to come before 6 p.m. and it's with the delivery person. What does that mean? No, it's not allowed. I'll do a dance for you guys while we wait. Okay, have you enjoyed? Do you see like the...
Yes. Oh. What's up YouTube?
Is that all you say in my vlogs now? Yeah. It got cold outside, so we came inside. We're gonna watch some YouTube, and I like saying YouTube, it's so funny. And I'm gonna watch some Miss Charlotte Beauty 1. She just uploaded a what I got for my 17th birthday haul, and I'm sorry about if you can see the black bars coming across my camera. I'm very confused by this. Okay, bye. Thank you.
How you going? Georgia and Rachel 18.
Yes.
What does that mean?
Thank you so much. Me too.
Are you kidding? That is so extremely cute.
Georgia and Rachel 18. Whatever that
That is so beautiful. Oh, okay. Wait, let me get a good angle on this one. Here, let me just... Look how beautiful they are. Julia Macon, you are the most beautiful human being we have ever met. Wow. Inside and out. That is so extremely nice, but please stop spending your money on us. My old friend.
That's what I feel like.
That's what you feel like? Get it then. High five. Hey guys, what's up? It's Sunday night now. I had church tonight and then I came home and had dinner, and I made my lunch for tomorrow because I've got uni from, well, I'll be there from like 6:30 till 4 p.m. And so I packed my lunch. I picked out my outfit for tomorrow so I don't have to do that at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning because I hate doing that and I'm half asleep, so it's just not a good mix. And I made my lunch and got it ready, and it's just like sitting in the fridge ready to grab tomorrow morning. I also did some study and I'm about to go and hop into bed probably and read for a little bit before bed, and then tomorrow I'm gonna wake up at probably around 5, head off for uni at about 5:45, get to uni at about 6:30, be there from then till 4 p.m. and on my way home I'm gonna check my PO box because I have a bunch of packages to pick up. Then I'm gonna come home. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do when I get home yet. Probably uni work and or YouTube work. Probably YouTube work actually. And then I have small group or Bible study. It's the same thing. There are just two different names for it. So it's a busy day tomorrow. So of course I need to prep tonight, but I pretty much got everything sorted and I think it's about 9 p.m.-ish. I don't know where my phone went. I don't know. I lost it. Oh, I didn't even bring it in here. It's in my bedroom. I'm gonna do some reading before bed. I'm reading Freakonomics. It's really good. Really recommend it. I have to read it for my class, but it's actually really interesting, so I'm enjoying it. What's up, YouTube? Georgia's getting into this new like mentality at the moment.
I'm a whole different person now.
You really are actually. Georgia's doing this thing where like, actually you explain it.
Well, I stress about a lot of situations that I have zero control over, and it's just stupid. It's
Agreed.
Stupid. So now I just say, what are you gonna do? And just move on.
I feel like it just makes it sound so easy, but it's so much harder than that, but you're like literally making it sound so easy.
One day it just happened and I was like,
it's like an epiphany.
what are you gonna do? Literally, what are you gonna do?
It's like that verse that says that stressing will not add a day to your life. I really like that one. It's in Matthew, if you're wondering. Guys, I think I'm gonna join the gym. Woo! I just have to wait for some documents, and once they're all approved and done, I think I'm gonna do it. All the other girls, except for me, are not enrolled, have a membership to this gym.
The whole squad house is gonna go to the gym.
The whole
with
squad
boys.
house is gonna go to the gym. I feel like I'm so hypocritical because I said for so long that I would never join the gym, and then here I am. I don't know when exactly because I don't have
You're like,
control
I just
over the
like wouldn't know what
documents.
I would do, and like I just don't. I
don't.
would just get so bored, and then you're like, I reckon I'll just figure out what to do.
No.
It's like, yes.
No, here's my thing. Here's my epiphany that I had. I like running. I genuinely do enjoy running, and obviously running doesn't cost money. Like, you don't have to pay for a membership to go running in your neighborhood. And so it just seemed like a much smarter option for me to go running in my neighborhood if that's something that I enjoy, because a lot of people go to the gym because they don't enjoy running or like doing things. And like paying for a gym makes them want to go, blah, blah, blah. But I realized that classes, like doing classes, which I originally said that I would never do, just like does so much more for you than like just going on a run. Like just going on a run is not going to, not that I really want to drastically change my body or anything like that, but like if I want to make improvements, then I may as well do it in a efficient way. I don't know how to explain it. And also, what was the other thing I was going to say? Oh, I hate running on treadmills. I think it's so annoying and so boring and so dumb. But my epiphany was that I probably spend at least a minimum of like half an hour a day watching YouTube videos, like at my desk or in my bed or like whatever, like all together if you clumped it together. So why not just literally go to the gym for like 30 minutes at night and watch YouTube videos on the treadmill? Like, why not? But also I think it's just a smart thing to do.
I've been so excited. I can introduce you to my friend. Oh my gosh.
You're not allowed to have other friends. But I've been vlogging for 7 minutes now, so I'm gonna go. What do you have to say? Wise words.
What are you gonna do?
I love it.
See you later, YouTube.
Peace out, YouTube. Good morning, friends. It is 5:45 and it's time to go to uni. Made it to uni, really exciting. Currently 6:35 in the morning. Gonna go head in and start studying, I guess. Really not very exciting, is it? Gotta do what you gotta do. Am I right, ladies?
Many hours later.
It is now 4:30 and I finished uni and I've just come to my PO box. I think I have a few packages to pick up today, which I am very excited about. So let's go see what I got. I found a friend. Hi. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be a little bit clickbaity right now. Look at all these. One of them's from my accountant, but so I have these 3 packages, but I'm not opening any of them on camera because these 2 are for videos and this one is a gift.
That looks sick.
That's so exciting.
Wow.
That looks quite nice,
That looks
actually. Okay, here's the deal though. I got a bunch of letters. This one is for both of us. There's one that's just for you. Let's see what we have. This one I'm really excited about because it's like, you know? Oh my freaking goodness.
Ramen waters. Is that the beach?
Oh my gosh, this is a freaking jackpot, big boys.
A care package of Little Shop.
Wait, there was no note. Well, I appreciate you. Okay. I can't believe you bubble wrapped them. That's like great. Wow.
They deserve it.
Yeah, they really do. I'm glad that you appreciate them as much as we do. I don't know who sent this because the name isn't even on there, but I just want you to know that I appreciate you so much. These are like good quality ones too. We firstly have the cold powder laundry detergent. Ooh. We have the Vicks Vapor Rub. Ah. And we have the chicken noodles, big boys. Yeah. Shall we open the together one?
Sure.
Please do the honors. From Bridget. In New South Wales.
Wait, what?
Oh my gosh, I thought it was an actual Oreo. I was like, why did she send us? She sent us the 2 we needed. No, Bridget.
I think she messaged you on Instagram asking if she could send like which ones we needed.
That's so much bigger than I thought it was.
They're the last 2 that we were waiting on.
Bridget just sent us the shoe polish and the hand soap, which if I'm correctly thinking, those are the last two we needed to complete the whole collection. However, as we've said in previous vlogs, we do not discriminate and doubles are all welcome in our family.
Dear Rachel and Georgia, I just wanted to send you some of the Coles minis as I heard these two are the last ones you need to complete your collection. I'm currently studying to become a vet nurse and have a part-time job also.
That is so
Bridget.
nice. Thank you so much, Bridget. I have this one from Abby in Sydney. Oh, it's a Vision Helena. That is so cute. I should put it on my Polaroid wall.
Yeah.
She sent a little Polaroid of her. I'm sorry, the focusing isn't just not doing. She's 20 and she's from Sydney. Her name is Abby. I think I already mentioned that. I was just saying congratulations for 100,000 subscribers. I have filmed and edited more than 10 videos, but always change my mind while uploading. No! Do it and send us a link so we can go watch you and comment and like and support and thumbs it up. That was so cute. Thank you so much, Abby. Do you want scissors?
Do you know where that is? Cornbong, Australia.
No, I really don't. I really don't know where that is.
This is from Tiana.
Oh, she did a photo. Oh, what a cutie. I love receiving photos so much.
Your friendship with Rachel, Skye and Izzy is so amazing. I hope that someday I can have that type of friendship too. Went to Noosa National Park at the fairy pools. Oh my gosh.
We need to go there.
That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Tiana. You're so sweet. Oh my gosh.
We also have one from Marley from Canada.
Oh,
look how cute. Oh my gosh, can you just focus for 1 second? Thank you. It has freaking little plants on it. And Georgia has one too. That's so cute.
Wow.
She said she's going to Brisbane, Melbourne or Sydney. Any recommendations? Go to the beach in Brisbane. Go do all the touristy things in Sydney, I reckon.
Oh, she just started vlogging.
Oh my goodness, that's so exciting. What an
That
absolute
is so
love.
cute. Oh my gosh.
That's so incredibly cute. And we have one here from Izzy, and she's from Hawthorne East. And she sent us the chocolate milk. Very exciting.
Someone riding a scooter.
It's a very loud scooter. Her name's Isabel. She's 19 years old from Melbourne. Studying medical imaging. That sounds kind of fancy. Discovered Georgia Woodford and Amy. My favorite videos from yours are your vlogs and your Instagram lives. Sure, people say the collectibles are bad for the environment, but I say they make great fridge magnets if you stick some magnets on the back of them. That's what everyone's been saying, and that's what I'm planning on doing eventually, after we take them off the top of our fridge. How's Milo? Would love to see him in a vlog soon. Oh. No, I should. I see him every week, but I never vlog it because I just like don't really take my camera out when I'm with my family because I only see them like once a week usually.
I vlog Bill every time because I love him.
Okay,
so much.
sorry that you're the better vlogger than me. But shout out to Izzy, thank you so much. Shout out to everyone who sent either one of us a letter. We honestly love receiving letters from you guys. I literally just got home from uni and I was like, Georgia, I got some letters, come to my room and we'll open them. And also feel free to send anything to Giorgio to my PO box because obviously she lives with me, so I can just bring it home and she's just here and she can open it and she can have it.
And I don't have to pay for my own PO box, so it's fine.
Hello my friends and welcome back to the Squad Kitchen. This is a proud moment in Squad history. This is an important milestone that we have reached as a Squad family. Today is the final additions to our Coles Little Shop Minis. And by final additions, I don't actually mean final additions because we're probably going to keep adding to it if we can. But final additions to the original 30 collectibles. Here in my hands I hold, firstly, the Dettol hand wash, and secondly, the shoe polish, sent by a loving and generous subscriber. And here we have placing them along with the others on the pedestal of collectibles. Dettol, officially part of the family. Shoe polish, officially part of the family. And the final step of the, what's like the word? What's the word I'm looking for?
I don't know.
Initiation, maybe? Initiation is to tick off. Wait, we don't have one last one. I just realized the Milo tin, we don't have it.
No!
But today we will pretend that this is...
No!
We will tick off the shoe polish and we will tick off the Dettol soap. And I definitely just realized that we really don't have the Milo tin, but... Okay, just never mind this whole clip. So sorry for getting your hopes up saying that we'd finished it all and we really haven't. I'm thoroughly disappointed, but also very grateful to have the ones we have. And I know that some Coles have run out now too. Well, I guess this is a sad goodbye on this end. Good. Hey guys, I'm just here to end off the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I just hit myself in the face. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one very soon. Goodbye.